Welcome back to the second part of the Crossbeam exercise in Siemens NX 12. So I want to check out my offset surface because I want to see if it's a normal projected one or if it's in a direction. Settings. So there is nothing there, so it has to be normal. Okay. Now I want to project that line there in the center, this one, that curve, onto that surface. So maybe hide, or just go there, go menu, insert derived curve and go for project. And I want to project that connected curves, these. Somehow it doesn't select them all, so go here and there. And it should be projected to this surface, body faces, yes. And not along a vector, but maybe along face normal. Let's see if this will work out. Looks good. And confirm. I could hide that for the moment, so it's better to see. And I could hide this as well. So go here and hide that as well. Now I need to offset this curve. So go for curve, offset curve in face. This curve. Yes, the face would be this one. And now go for 5 mm instead of 6. And the normal vector would be this one. That's okay, and apply. And one more. Face the same as before. Reverse the offset. Vector should be this one. And now okay. Then I want to use again the law extension. Let's go for law extension, or maybe in the CATIA version I did smooth that curves. I could do that here as well. Just check which one is which. I should maybe hide those. Because then it's easier to see. Now go for insert derived curve, and then you could smooth a curve string, for example this one, just if you want. You don't need to, I suppose, and over there as well, and cancel this out. Now I could use those two curves for my law extension. So go for law extension, use, just move it over here, the first one, this one. The face would be, of course, that face. And let's see which angle we are going. -60, that's okay, but I don't want this to be. Let me check, it should be the other way around. So this could be 30 and that might be 10. Like this. And apply. Then go for the other smooth curve string. Same surface as before. This one. Now that might be 60 degrees instead of -60. Yeah, and make this 30 and the other value 10. or even just 5, and for the first one 5 as well. Okay, now let's do face plans. Face plan between, go for 3 mm, that's okay for this surface, that's correct. Go there, that's correct as well. Apply. On the other side, select that face, points down, that's okay. This should point to the inside, that's okay, and confirm. Nice. Now I need that trim surface back, the trim sheet. I think that's this one, show. Yeah. And I want to make a law extension here. So, law extension. I want to use this edge. The face would be that one. 12 minus 45 and 10. That's okay. Now I want to make a face blend between this surface and that one. Go for 8 mm. This should work, and okay, great. Same on the other end. Go for law extension. Select single curve that edge and this face, and looks good, so go for OK and make a face blend between this one and that one, and OK. Let's hide that surface and bring back our base surface, which should be here, I suppose. Let's show that one. Looks good. And now I want to do a fillet, a face blend between this one and that one. So go for a face blend, select this surface, arrow should point upwards, and the other one should point outwards, and go for, let's say, 3 mm. Select this one, yeah, but that's not possible. Okay, why? Let's check the arrows, because that arrow points in the wrong direction. So this should go the other way around, and it works. Okay, quite nice. Now let's put all of these into a new feature group. Okay, go for a feature group. That would be the stripe emboss. Stripe emboss. Okay, and the last blend should be my base 4 right now, this one. Base 4. And let's save the model. Okay, next I want to do that tooth emboss or teeth emboss. I therefore will hide that surface, and that's the offsetted one, the extracted one. That should be the offset surface, and that's the extracted body, and I should go for the extracted body. So let's hide this and show that one if necessary. Nope, that's kind of irritating. So that would be the offsetted surface, and that would be the extracted surface. Right now it's the same color, Y. Let's check it out. Go for timestamp order. I got, so that's the offset surface, and there is one, yeah, obstructing this, so I need this one. Go back to timestamp order. I want to make an extrude, so go for home, extrude. I want to extrude this curve right here, and maybe make it symmetric, maybe make it 80 should do the trick. Yeah, because that line is right here. And don't go for a solid, but go for a sheet and apply. And then I want to extrude this one, but not in that direction. It should go in Z direction. Make it symmetric. Yeah, that's okay. And confirm. Now a faceplant between those two. Let's hide that offset surface for the moment and go for another faceplant between this one, should go up, and that one should go to the inside. Yes, 3 millimeters. Yes, and confirm. Now let's bring back our offset surface, the green one. Yeah, and now I need to make another faceplant between this one, that should go up, and that one, and that should go to the inside. And let's take a look. Yes, and confirm. Now let's bring back our last surface, this one, show, and now do another faceplant between those two. Let's go for a faceplant, select this one, and this should point down, yes, and second face, this should point to the outside. That might be okay. Let's take a preview. Yeah, that's okay. And confirm. And put those into a new feature group. Call it maybe teeth or tooth emboss. Teeth emboss, because it looks like teeth. And confirm, and make the last faceplant our new base 5. That would be base 5, and of course save it. Now let's hide all curves and bring back only those two, this one and that one. So go here and hide the curves, close, then go to show and select this one and that one. Okay, here I need the complete curve, so this curve, yeah, doesn't select it completely, so I go there and select these as well, and okay. Good, let's hide that one and do an extrude this curve and the other direction maybe -50 should work. Yeah, then another extrude with that one, but that should point in XC direction. Okay, make it maybe -30 and 160 maybe. This should work. Okay, make a faceplant between 3 millimeters. Okay, this one, reverse, and that one. Sorry, I forgot to go there. Now it should work. Reverse this one and confirm. Okay, maybe this should be 5 millimeter, so change it to 5 millimeter. Okay, now I need that offsetted surface. Let's see if we can bring it back. That would be the green surface, this one. I need that surface. Let's see if that's the correct one. Yes, it is. Let's make a faceplant and go for faceplant. This surface, it should go up. That surface, it should go to the inside. Let's see the result. Yes. Okay. Now show our base surface. And let's do another faceplant here. Let's go for faceplant. This one should point down, yeah, and that one should point outwards. Yes, and confirm. And I'm almost done. I need only 2 more extrudes, and that would be it. Let's put those into a new feature group. Call this one small emboss. And make that last, no, that make this one the base. It's base 6. Rename it to base 6. Let's see, do we have a coordinate system? No, so maybe I should go back and insert a coordinate system. So go for datum sys, make it absolute sys, and OK. So there's my coordinate system, because I want to mirror it. I could first trim it and then mirror it, or mirror it and then trim it, whatever you like. So I would need a sketch on a plane parallel to this one, so I might insert a plane with an offset at distance to this one, and let's move it over here, maybe distance 2000. Yeah, that would do the trick. Let's make a sketch there, sketch on this one, confirm, and that could look something like, let's go for profile and just maybe it's just maybe like this. Okay, add some fillets. One fillet here, another fillet there, one fillet over here, and one there. And now this point might be on that axis. Okay, and move that line here like this. Looks okay. Finish that sketch, or maybe put this one right there. Finish that sketch. Now let's make an extrude with that sketch. And this one in that direction, yeah. Move it maybe like that. And confirm. And now make another fillet, faceplant between this surface that should go up and that one. Sorry, go here, and that should go the other direction. Maybe go for 3, 5, whatever you want. Let's go for 5. 35 by 5, and okay. And then again, you need 2 more sketches to trim this one and that one. I will leave that up to you. So hope you enjoyed the second part. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mirror it. So let's go for mirror body if possible. So go for more mirror geometry. I want to mirror that object, specify plane, and that would be this plane, and confirm. Now, as I've already told you, you need just one sketch on a plane like this, and then you could of course trim in this direction, that direction. And I'm done for now. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook fan page. I want to get more subscriptions and likes over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.